Hi, Rids again. So I just did 7 km hike with my friends. Now I'm walking home. So I'm rocking kahikers singlet before. Also I'm testing. Okay, I'm actually testing this Evoke Hip Pack 3 liters. I just got it. It's our first experience using it outdoors. Overall, the fit is nice. You see the strap, it's quite comfy. It's snug. Also, the ventilation is and it's quite spacious. It's housing my extra shirt, electronics. You can see my water bottle, first aid kit, and some snacks. So I'm looking forward to using this hip pack more in the future.